Ayun guys, mag-vlog kami ni Lipton Dakat. Lipton, para sa ito. 1, 2, 3. I want to go with you. I want to go with you. I want to go. I want to go Ayun guys, nakanta na sa Lipton. Say hi to our vlog, Lipton. Yes, yes. Love mo si ate forever? Oh, cute! That's Lipton, guys. And today is... Yes, Ming Ming, the talking cat, Lipton, the cat. Oh, cute! Ano mo ngayon? June? What? Ano ngayon? Uy, sige ng mata, Lipton. June? It's June 9. I guess, yes, it's June 9. And Lipton is planning to escape our little room. Okay, that's it, guys. Goodbye, all. Mwah. Ring.